Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn masculine feminine in Arabic. The first word is abun. 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 Its mean father. Its feminine is ummun. 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 Its mean mother. The next word is akhun. 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 Its mean brother. And its feminine is ukhtun. 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 Its mean sister. The next word is ibnun. Ibnun. Its mean son. And its feminine is ibnatun. 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 Its mean daughter. The next word is ammun. 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 In Arabic, this word is used for uncle. Basically, ammun is the person who is brother of your father. Its feminine is ammatun. 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 Its mean aunt. The word ammatun is used for the sister of your father. The next word is jaddun. 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 Its mean grandfather. And its feminine is jaddatun. 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 The next word is zawjun. 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 This word is used for husband. And its feminine is zawjatun. 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 Its mean wife. Next word is hafidun. 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 This word is used for grandson. Its feminine is hafidatun. 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 Its mean granddaughter. The next word is khalun. 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 This word is also used for uncle. Basically, khalun is the person who is brother of your mother. Its feminine is khalatun. 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 It's mean the sister of your mother. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.